Chicken tinola. Unbelievable recipe, incredible flavor, beautiful soup. Make your own. The secret from the Filipino grandma.
Thanks, Chef Luca and Life in Full Flavor for this beautiful recipe.
As every Filipino dish or soup or dish, there is no tinola without the rice. And the most important, exclusive ingredient, Mama Sita tinola mix. Without that, it's not the same, guys. The ingredient of our beautiful tinola. Shopping in Abu Dhabi, we decide today the supermarket. Unbelievable one. It's winter time, you know, outside is mostly cold. Not here in Abu Dhabi, but mostly it's cold. Very important, very nice. You require a soup, an easy one, super simple, but with a lot of flavor. Fresh chicken, we need fresh chicken. The chicken, the main ingredient, I got a super fresh one with the feet and the head for extra flavor. At least we know there is nothing, no product inside. Super fresh, unbelievable product as usual. 1 kg chicken. Green papaya, it's a must of this recipe. Chayote or sayote. The original recipe requires green papaya. This is not good for pregnant lady. We will use chayote or sayote, a nice substitute. We go for that. Of course, do what you want. I will use 2 pieces of chayote. Garlic, of course we always use garlic. 6 cloves of fresh garlic. Now is the season, you can buy even garlic stem. Unbelievable fresh, amazing product. Ginger, we will use 30 grams peeled and cut it in stripes. 1 medium size red onion. 2 green chili, very aromatic. We will keep it all just to give this unbelievable flavor. Don't forget, of course, the Malunggay leaf and the chili leaf. And look at that, extremely important, those are chili leaf. Green chili leaf, we will do again 30 grams. And again, very important, Malunggay leaf, super common in Philippines, edible, extremely nutritional leaf, mainly used for this dish, tinola. Again, we will go for 30 grams of this. And of course, don't forget the special ingredient today is Mama Sita tinola mix. Without that, it's not the same, guys. As usual, unbelievable product. We will use a full packet. Without that, it's not the same, guys. Nighttime in Abu Dhabi, finally we found all the ingredients. Sound easy, are small ingredients, few less, but you know what I mean, need attention and time. For the steps, I will make it extremely easy. How it is this beautiful soup? We slice the onion, we chop the garlic, we julienne our beautiful ginger, We cut the chicken in pieces and in a pot with oil we saute the garlic, the chili, the onion and we brown the chicken. We add our sayote, we saute a little bit to incorporate the flavor of the chicken. We add the water, our beautiful Mama Sita Tinola mix, and we bring to boil. We always add few grain of pepper, extremely aromatic, very nice flavor. I don't think I need to mention, but of course don't forget your salt and pepper. When the chicken is almost cooked and the vegetables are soft, we will add our aromatic flavor, extra flavor. That means the chili, the malunggay leaf and the chili leaf. If you want, you can add a spoon of fish sauce, but this product has everything you need inside. And that's it, guys. You know what I mean? Just buy that. That's the one, that's the game changer. Without that, it's not Tinola. It's not the original. This is the original flavor from Philippines. That's it. Unbelievable. Incredible flavor. Make your own. And time to test the full Tinola dish. As usual, as every Filipino dish or soup or dish, there is no Tinola without the rice. First of all, we try the soup. Oh wow, it's incredible actually. It's gingery, the flavor of the leaf, the Mama Sita mix that is an umami flavor. Unbelievable, guys. Wow. Really, I will say wow. That means, as Filipino do, on the rice we put the broth. Yeah, we flavor it our rice. And the rest we will put on the side. And that's what you want. Look at that. You can add your soup or you can eat the soup on the side, wherever you wanna do. Take a piece of chicken, a little bit of sayote, the leaf, of course, the rice. Go ahead, look this baby. Another story, guys. Unbelievable. Actually, I tried different soup, but for now this is one of the best. Unbelievable flavor, really particular, super simple recipe. Make your own. And of course, I saw a lot of recipe, but don't use any chicken cube or stock. Go ahead with that. It's what you need, no extra please. It's what is making the difference. You don't need nothing else. Unbelievable flavor. This one, Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is Live in Full Flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!